Hello guys, this is the second video of my simple house in Blender 3D series tutorial, and in this second video, like I mentioned on previous video, I'm gonna show you how to make a hole on the wall so we can add window frame and glass for window material. For the hole we will use Boolean modifier. So let's get started. First we need to use cube object. I'm gonna move the cube over here so it's clear for you to see, and then I will change the cube dimension because I want to change the dimension of the cube as the same dimension of our window hole. So I want to have a window with maybe the height is 1.5, and then we can change the x-axis a little bit smaller, maybe 1, and the width for the window frame is I'm gonna change to maybe 1. Yes, like that. Our wall is 3 meter. I want to change to width 5.5 and change to the C to 2 meters, so it will place on the like that. So now I'm gonna place this. This is just if you use AutoCAD before, you will know we need a object that will help our job when we want to hold a wall. We call it subtract. So it's like a subtract object. So I'm gonna place it here. And maybe here. Maybe like this. And now I want to duplicate this scoop object. Instead of using Shift D as duplicate, but now we want to use Alt D, which is mean to actually clone this object. So when we clone the cube object, we will only, if we want to make some change on this original object, the other clone object will also change. So, but also remember to always clone from original object. You can clone from the second object or the third object, always the original object. So Alt D and move to Y, and I'm gonna rotate here. See here and 20. So let's try if you want to see it's changed. Gonna place here. And now I'm gonna duplicate from original again. And now if I click on edit mode, you can see I select these front faces. The other clone object will also select it. If I move, it will also move. Always clone from the first original object, and you can rotate point where the front faces is. So now I want to join all these group object to become one object. So select all the object here, and you can click join, and then here you can change the name, maybe to walls hall, like that. You can check here the new name. You can check data tab here, and then now we will apply Boolean modifier by select the all object here, the group object here, and look for here Boolean modifier, and look for change the window and look for Boolean, and on object you can look for our name clone object walls hole here, and in operation you can choose difference. Now it's the hole already have hole, but to find out I'm gonna choose all the object here, group object, and I'm gonna merge them to second layer. See, now the hole is already have hole on it. It's pretty easy, right? And next I'm gonna show you how to create the Windows frame by you can choose whatever method you want, but I think I'm only use a simple object like again cube, or also maybe a plain object. I'm just use from the frame. In the frame, I'm just gonna use default default object like plane. So let's make it on front view, and now I'm gonna add plane and click align to view. I'm gonna set to wireframe so it's easier for me, and I'm gonna active the snap element here. So like this, move again here, front. I'm gonna rotate to -90 degree, move here, and enter edit mode. Oh, sorry. Select edges like this. Now you have one face. Now I want to extrude to 5 centimeter. E, and just you can pull whatever direction on x-axis on what dimension, and you can change the c here value here to 5 centimeter. Now we have the first model of our window frame, and I'm gonna shift D, X, oops, sorry. Yes, shift D, X, yes. Now we can shift D this one and rotate to Y, 90 degree, and then oops, snap element again. Just one and pull it here. Like that. And duplicate again. Oh, sorry. If we hide, now we have the first frame. Now we will create a second frame. You can copy from the existing one like this. Oh, sorry. Edit. here, and then edit these vertices and snap here. And now we can change the dimension. Maybe just change the x 3 centimeter, like that. And then maybe this of 7 centimeter. Yes, like this one, maybe, and snap here. Okay. And duplicate this object again here. Yeah, hide the wall so it's easier to see, I think. So duplicate this one, X, and rotate to Y, 20, and snap here. And then pull these vertices here. And duplicate again. Yes. Now we will create the glass object. So just use this existing object and duplicate. Edit. Here. Again, just these vertices. Pull here. And I'm just gonna delete the vertices that in the back, because our glass is just a plain object. Like that. Okay, we're done here. We will join the frame, this frame, this frame, this frame, this frame. Click join and change the name, maybe first frame. Yes. Oh, oops, what is it? Wait. Oh, it's a double object, I think. Yes. Now the second frame. Join, rename, second frame. Let's not active the layer. Now we have glass material, glass object. Okay. Oh. House. I'm gonna rename wall. Oops, sorry. Okay. Now we will duplicate our window, the whole element on our window by so this whole element like this, duplicate. Y. And then for the window part, and now we will see it's there. We will add a basic material on the wall, the first frame and the second frame, and the glass, the window glass the window glass object. I won't show you the detail, but I already create upload how to add those material. I will put a link on box below. You can check the video later. So I'll be back when I'm finished with adding the material. See ya. And here's our render result after I apply wall, frame, first frame and second frame and the glass material. But every time you create a new material, just make sure you rename the material, like I have here, first frame, second frame, glass and wall. So you can just apply quickly by just say this is the your first material for frame, and if you click second frame, you just need to look for the second frame, and from the material list here, then just click. So you don't have to create a new material. You will use existing material. Okay, I think that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and by the way, on next video I'm gonna show you how to create an open door object. Here I'm gonna add door here that will open. So make sure you subscribe and see you soon. Bye.